G'day, here's a few pieces of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia. Rules in millimetres, the material's been wetted, and as you can see there's some colour popping out here on the stones. I'll just go in a bit closer. Okay, I've just gone in a bit closer. Here's this first piece I'm sure you want to look at. Comes right through. Red salmon colour. Fun to cut. Here's this piece. It's got red across the top here again. And then down here's a different looking seam of greens. Weak that red, but wherever it goes, like this. Yes, I can see it there. I can see it by eye. The camera's not picking it up so much, but it runs through here. Pink runs up through there. Peter's out on the corner. Anyway, it is what it is, I suppose. Pinks and greens there. I think basically the bar is running along there, around, but at an angle like that. I think it shows you there. Anyway, sand it a little bit and contemplate what you're going to do before you grind it all away. Electric red, gold, yellows there. If it goes across to there or not, it's hard to tell. There's a piece that's flaked off another larger piece. Alright, it is what it is. It's not that expensive for what they are. I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.